Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm going to share with you my skeleton welcome sign. The inspiration piece was actually this sign from Michaels. It was $40 on sale for $24, but it was also 44 inches tall, and I thought that would be a problem for storing. So I made one using mostly DollarTree materials, and it's only 30 inches tall. I did use 2 packages of these 5-gallon paint sticks that I got at Lowe's, one of the poster boards in black, and I also used this poster paper. First I took 2 of the paint sticks and I glued them together. I did that twice. You're going to use a total of 5. Then I have a template and I cut out my coffin so that I would have something to be able to create the frame. And I had to figure out what the corner degrees were so that my husband could use the miter saw to cut my paint sticks. Once they were all cut, I used wood glue to put them together, and I also stapled them. While they were drying, I went to my Cricut and I designed my skeleton. Once the frame was done, I hung it up to make sure that it was actually straight, and then I used that as my template to actually cut the poster board out. Once it was cut out, I did paint the edges black so the white foam didn't show. And then I had to decide which skeleton head I liked best, and with the help of Instagram, I chose B. And here you can see how they would look with the welcome sign, which is not something I showed on Instagram because I wanted it to be a surprise. And pretty much I put my skeleton together. I glued my poster board, foam board to the frame, and it was done. And it's going to stay in the house. I'm not going to put it outside because I don't know how the foam board will hold up, but I hope you enjoyed my project. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Give me a like if you enjoyed it. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll have another project again soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.